welcome back to Auto Revolution, where we bring you the best car reviews, insights, and nostalgia. Today, we're diving into a car that defined an era, the legendary Maruti 800. A car that changed India. Launched in 1983, the Maruti 800 wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. It put India on wheels, offering an affordable, reliable, and fuel-efficient vehicle for the masses. For over 3 decades, this little hatchback ruled Indian roads, winning the hearts of millions. Design build a simple yet timeless. With its compact and boxy design, the Maruti 800 was ahead of its time. It wasn't about luxury but practicality. The lightweight frame and small footprint made it perfect for city driving, allowing it to zip through traffic with ease. Performance a small wonder. Under the hood, the Maruti 800 packed a 796cc, 3-cylinder engine delivering around 37 bhp. It might not sound powerful today, but back in the day, it was the ultimate budget-friendly performer. The 4-speed manual gearbox provided a smooth driving experience, and its fuel efficiency of 20+ km/h made it an instant favorite among Indian families. Comfort features a minimal but effective. The cabin was basic yet functional. It had simple controls, comfortable seating for 4, and a no-fuss dashboard layout. The later models even got AC and a 5-speed gearbox, making the 800 even more appealing. Reliability, maintenance, a bulletproof engineering. One of the biggest reasons behind the Maruti 800's success was its low maintenance cost and unmatched reliability. Spare parts were cheap and readily available, making it the go-to car for middle-class families and first-time car buyers. Legacy, a collector's dream. Even after its discontinuation in 2014, the Maruti 800 holds a special place in Indian hearts. Many enthusiasts have preserved and restored their 800s, keeping the legend alive. Final verdict. If you're lucky enough to own a Maruti 800 today, you own a piece of Indian automotive history. It wasn't just a car, it was a movement to a symbol of affordability, reliability, and nostalgia. Like, share, and subscribe to Auto Revolution for more exciting reviews and automotive content. Stay tuned for our next video.